Hi, this is Kamini from Speak Like Kamini. Welcome to today's lesson on phrasal verbs commonly used in office communication. Phrasal verbs is a list of words where we put in verb and a preposition together. Today's video is for intermediate level students who are trying to improve their communication skills. So today I have compiled a list of phrasal verbs for you which will prove very beneficial when you are holding conversations or meetings in your office. Alright, let's start off with the first one. As you must have noticed, I have used the word start off and that is our first phrasal verb of the lesson. Start off means to begin. Let's take an example. I'll start off by introducing Tom to the meeting. So here I mean to say that I will introduce Tom to everybody present in the meeting when I begin the meeting. Alright, let's come to the next phrasal verb, which is call off. Call off means to cancel. The boss called off the meeting. Here you must have noticed that I'm not using call off but called off. So you must always keep in mind that whenever you're using the verb and whatever tense you're using, they both must coincide. So here I'm saying called off because the boss called off the meeting in the past. That means the boss cancelled the meeting. The next word is deal with. Deal with means to handle or manage something. Let's look at an example. We have to deal with the new employees patiently. So here the speaker is trying to say that we should have patience while managing or handling new employees in the organization. The next phrasal verb is take down or jot down. You must have always noticed that whenever you're going for a meeting or anybody is attending a meeting, you're always carrying a kind of small notebook and a pen with you. That is used to take down notes. So take down and jot down means to write notes. Let's take an example. Please take down the points we need to implement. The next phrasal verb is figure out, which means to find a solution. We need to figure out how we can bring down the expenses. So here figure out means to find a solution to cutting down the expenses. The next phrasal verb is hand out. Hand out means to distribute something to a group of people. Let's take an example. Please hand out the annual report sheet to everyone. So hand out means to give out something to the people present at that place. Look into is our next phrasal verb, which means to explore or review. For example, Rima, please look into the report and tell me why we are suffering losses. Here the speaker wants Rima to look into or explore the report and see where the problem is in terms of losses. The last word is wrap up, which means to finish. Let's wrap up the meeting. That means let's finish the meeting. And with that, we come to the end of this lesson. I will wrap up this video with the hope that each and every one of you are going to practice speaking these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations in your office. If you have any questions pertaining to this video, feel free to write in the comment box. And also, if you want to learn more things about English, you can follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, the links to which have been given in the description box. Alright then, till next time, it's bye-bye from Speak Like Kamini.